Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer files between Android and PC in seconds without using a cable. First, open your browser and visit the download link. Download Quick Share and install it on your PC. Once the installation is complete, open Quick Share. Select Everyone to allow file sharing. You can also change your device name here if you want. Now, go to your Android device. Swipe down to open the control center. Here, you will see the Quick Share icon. Tap on it, then, tap the Receive option. Now, you can see a file sharing request from my PC. Tap Accept. As you can see, the file has been received successfully. Next, I will send a file from my phone to my PC. The PC receives the file request. Accept the request, and the file is transferred instantly. That's it. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.